In this video, I'll show you how to track Hubspot Meetings iframe, because when you're working with iframe, it's a bit more difficult with Google Tag Manager to know what's happening inside the iframe, because the parent window in which GTM is installed on doesn't know anything about what's happening inside the iframe. So here I've created a website on which there is only this Hubspot Meetings scheduler here. And for example, if I schedule a meeting like this, I open the preview mode in GTM and there is nothing happening in the data layer. So what we're going to do, we're going to install a special code on the page that is going to listen the messages sent from the Hubspot iframe, because by default the iframe is sending messages to the parent window, and we can intercept these messages and then have an event in the data layer when someone books a meeting. So this code is available here, and it's available below in this blog post. So here what I'm doing in this JavaScript code, so I'm just making sure that the data layer is set, and if it's not the case, I will just create an empty array, and then I'm going to listen to the message event. And the message event is a kind of event that is going to be sent by the iframe to the parent window. So here, when I receive the message, I'm just checking that it's a message that means that someone booked a meeting, and then when I'm sure about it, I'm just pushing the event Hubspot Meeting to the data layer, and the information about the person that did book this meeting. And this information can be used then for enhanced conversions for Google Ads, for example, or something like this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this code. I'm going back to GTM. I'm going to add a new tag. And here I'm going to choose custom HTML. I paste it here. I'm triggering this on all pages. So here I'm just on a demo website, so I just have one page. But what you can do here, you can trigger this JavaScript code only on the page you have the Hubspot Meeting scheduler installed on. Okay, so here let's rename this Hubspot iframe listener. Okay, let's save this. I click on preview to reset the preview mode. Okay, and now I'm going to book a meeting. Okay, and then I'm going back here on the preview mode, and I see the Hubspot Meeting event. And if I click here, you can see that the information that was entered before in the scheduler is available here. And then from this event, you can, for example, so let's say I installed GA4, so for example, like this, initialization, Google tag GA4, and I want to send an event to GA4 when there is this, so just enter the measurement ID, and here you, for example, you send Hubspot Meeting to GA4, and this, you're going to trigger this on the new event that is sent by the listener. So this is Hubspot Meeting, and here I name it DLE for data layer event, and here Hubspot Meeting. Okay, save, and here GA4 event Hubspot Meeting, and then save. And this way you're going to send a Hubspot Meeting event to GA4 based on this event that was sent in the data layer by the listener we just installed.